Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Tessellated has paid a tribute to the late great singer Bill Withers with a dancehall fusion rendition of Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone. No, it ain't warm when she's away. Speaking with E-Prime, Tessellated shared why he chose to pay tribute using an eclectic sound.
Bill Withers has been an inspiration to me for a very long time. Since I first started playing guitar when I was probably like 10, 11 years old, I started learning his songs, and that was my first introduction to him. So it only felt natural that when he passed, I should do something to kind of honor that memory and honor, all the inspiration and musical blessings that he's passed along to me.
Bill Withers, who died on March 3 from heart complications, originally released the song back in 1971.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Tessellated has postponed several musical experiences, including a 2-day performance at South by Southwest and his first US tour supporting Nigerian artist Pato Rankin.
We were doing 21 dates, I believe, and that would have been going on currently right now. I think I would be somewhere around Los Angeles or Seattle at this time. We're currently working on rescheduling it for later in the year or possibly early next year.
Now, Idonia has debuted his long-awaited album dubbed That's a Trap. The 17-track album, which blends a fusion of hip-hop's trap beats and dancehall rhythms, was released on April 6 and debuted in iTunes' number 3 spot on the Reggae Albums chart. That's a Trap follows the Big Ballers' 2015 compilation Project Sweat. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.